there. So for my 30-day self-help project, I got the Desire Map, and it's a guide to creating goals with soul. And it's by Danielle Laporte. And this book is basically about when you're setting goals for yourself, you're not working on achieving an action, but instead achieving a feeling that an action can give you. So reading through it, it has a lot of little encouragements, such as this. It says, you're not chasing the goal itself, you're chasing the feelings that you hope attaining these goals will give you. And I went through and read this a little bit, and I've made annotations on it. And I'm basically just going to go by all of these goals that it has every few chapters and see that I can make my goals more feeling-based. In this book, it has its own little progress reports that you can write how you're doing. And it just has different goals for each day. And basically just things that relate to the main goal of identifying how you want to feel. By the end of this project, I would like to have achieved 4 goals that go by this quote, that behind every desire there is a feeling, and your feelings will lead to your soul.